Hello guys, in this video let us learn how to use tradingview.com. See, for a technical class we need to understand how to use tradingview.com. This is a very important video before attending the technical class. So this is the trading view where we can check the charts. Click on this products. So click on this chart. So this opens like this. See, for you it may open little differently because you may not used all these indicators. Let me remove all the drawings, indicators, everything. So this is a 5 minutes candle. Note down. See, mainly in the technical class we use daily candle. So what is the meaning of daily candle? One candle is equal to 1 day. See, this whatever you are seeing, the x-axis is all the date. Can you see the dates? And y-axis is a price. This is the price, this is the dates. Date means time. So x-axis is time, y-axis is price. So both the axis we need to say. So this is the daily candle of Nifty. Can you see Nifty continuously falling from 8 months? So continuously Nifty is falling from past 8 months. So this is a daily candle. Meaning is one candle is equal to 1 day. And this is a weekly candle. What is the meaning of weekly candle? So can you see this one, weekly candle? So what is the meaning of weekly candle? One candle is equal to 1 week. That is 5 days ka movement is captured in one single candle known as weekly candle. So what is the meaning of monthly candle? 1 month ka price action or price movement is captured in one single candle known as monthly candle. So can you see this is the Nifty monthly graph? See the Nifty. So lifelong stock market will keep going up. I think you are able to understand. So stock market will never ever fall. Even if it falls within 1 year or within 2 years, again it will recover and go back to the new high. So this is a cycle market. Can you see? One of the biggest crash 2008. See, Indian stock market or every market in the world has faced lot of crisis. 2000 crisis, 2008 crisis, coronavirus crisis, 2016 where Chinese currency devaluation crisis, demonetization, and this is the US inflation crisis. All these crises is a part and parcel of the life of stock market, but stock market will never fall. That is, whatever I am saying is market will never stop its growth. Stock market will never stop its growth. Lifelong stock market will be going up, going up, going up. We need to believe in our economy and our country. So if you think next 20 years India will grow, then stock market also will grow. Very simple, because stock market is stock market is a way where we can guess what will happen in next 20 years. Stock market is a mirror of the growth. I hope you are able to understand. Weekly candle, daily candle, and we can see 5 minutes candle which we don't use. So intraday traders usually use 5 minutes candle. See how to zoom in like this. Can you see I'm keeping the mouse here? See, mouse is very important for the technical class. Remember, without mouse we cannot do any drawings. We mainly do kind of a drawings, price action. So mouse is a very important tool for technical class. Remember, laptop and mouse is very important. So this is the daily candle, and we use indicators here. Can you see? We can types of indicators. Can you see RSI, relative strength index indicator? So click here, it will come like this. Can you see? I applied one indicator. And can you see this one? Horizontal line. Can you see? We can draw support like this. Horizontal. Can you see trend line here? I can draw trend lines like this. I can draw trend lines like this. So I can draw trend lines like this also. So trend lines and horizontal line, and one thing is measurement scale. Can you see? So I've taken this measurement scale used to measure the candle sizes. Can you see? I can measure the how much percentage Nifty moved. Can you see? 12%. So carefully see how to do measurement. So many people will get confused. Click on this measurement scale. Click here. Let's say year to year. कितना परसेंट ऊपर गया? सिर्फ इतना परसेंट है ना, बस 13%. See, year to year 13% Nifty moved. Later it collapsed. So use of measurement scale and use of rectangle. Can you see? Sometimes we use to draw supports and resistance. So we usually use like this rectangle. So mainly we use all these tools, which will be very effective for you. So this is a prerequisite of the technical class. This much if you know, later we'll teach everything in the classes. So this is a brief introduction to tradingview.com. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. See you in the technical course. Thank you.